Hello everybody, this is Carl Elwine of Elwine Engines, and today it's another narration YouTube video, ERE-383 number 111. This one is for Carlos Harper, and starting off it's a screenshot, actually, or a screen grab of the actual build web page. Lots of detail there, lots of description and part numbers, a lot of the same pictures that are in this video. It is actually a budget 383 D dish, but there were upgrades and changes. Flat top pistons, of course, and upgrade to Comstar rods, upgrade to a forged crankshaft. So this is the foundation of the engine. All right, today's work. Putting the timing cover on and the seals, and I really do like this water pump seal tool. It helps the seal get pressed on there without inverting the lip. So she's on there pretty good. Timing cover's on, and the lifters and the spider are bolted on. All the lashes set, and I took pictures of the rocker tips and the position that they align onto the valve tips. The Manley guide plates that I use align every one of them very well, and some are just a tad bit off. That's probably the worst one right there, and if that's bad, well, the rest are really good. More pictures of the lifter valley. That was the core, and I just threw it away. Too much dirt. Oil pump drive shaft is reused from the core. It was in such good shape that it was good to save the money and just reuse the core one. The oil pump and the bottom end right before putting the oil pan on. The oil pump is a Melling Sharktooth 10554. That's high pressure standard volume. The windage tray, I always make sure I use the windage tray, and with a stroker you just bend it out of the way of the rods. Got to make sure that the rods don't hit the windage tray. All right, so I put the oil pan on after a thorough cleaning and pressure blasting with my pressure washer. Later this is going to get touch-up paint. Okay, doing the oil pump pressure test. So I spin it with a drill, and well, that showed 70 pounds, and that's typical. And it took about 10 minutes to get oil to seep up through all the push rods to all of the rockers. And just wanted to show the picture there of the torque head hub, torque head sensing unit. That had to get installed before I did the oil pressure testing, but pictures are a little bit out of sequence. The alignment tool there for the torque head crank sensor. And I wanted to show a picture of my timing pointer that I get it from Summit. It's PCE 268, a timing pointer. I guess it's a generic timing pointer, but it's actually working pretty good. So there you have it. This thing's getting ready to go to the dyno as soon as I can get my tuning partner Zach available and the dyno available. So in the meantime, I'll keep you posted, and I will certainly show the dyno numbers and the dyno video. Until then, take care. This is Carl Elwine, Elwine Engines.